Your smartphone's charging port is a microscopic battlefield silently teeming with invisible invaders. These tiny particles, often smaller than a human hair, relentlessly seek entry into its delicate circuitry. Dust, lint, and pocket debris form a silent siege, threatening your device's vital connection to power. Understanding this unseen struggle is crucial for maintaining your phone's longevity and performance. Why does this happen? And what can you do to protect your essential technology? Your smartphone is more than just a gadget. It's your gateway to information and connection. Keeping it charged and functional should be a priority for everyone. The charging port, a small but mighty gateway, is surprisingly vulnerable to everyday elements. Imagine it as a tiny, precise docking station for a constant flow of energy. However, this vital opening is also a perfect trap for microscopic intruders. Over time, these particles accumulate, creating a dense, insulating barrier within the port. This buildup physically prevents the charging cable from making proper contact with the internal pins. It's like trying to plug a key into a lock that's been filled with sand. The metal pins inside the port, designed for a perfect connection, become obscured and ineffective. This leads to intermittent charging, slow charging speeds, or even a complete failure to charge. But that's not the strangest part of this microscopic invasion. Even a small amount of debris can cause significant disruption to the electrical flow. Think of it as a single pebble disrupting the smooth flow of a mighty river. Static electricity can also attract even more fine particles, exacerbating the problem. This gradual degradation often goes unnoticed until your phone refuses to power up. Wait until you hear what comes next regarding the hidden dangers. You might be surprised to learn that some seemingly harmless pocket lint is surprisingly conductive. This conductivity can potentially lead to short circuits if moisture is also present. A short circuit could damage delicate internal components, leading to expensive repairs. The constant insertion and removal of charging cables can also wear down the port's internal structure. This mechanical wear, combined with debris, creates a perfect storm for port failure. And then something unexpected happened with a seemingly clean charging port. A user experienced their phone overheating significantly during charging attempts. This was directly linked to the poor connection caused by accumulated pocket lint. The increased resistance from the debris generated excessive heat. This heat poses a risk not only to the phone's battery, but also to the user. The solution often involves simple, accessible cleaning methods. Compressed air can be a first line of defense, blowing away loose particles. A fine-tipped, non-metallic tool like a toothpick can gently dislodge stubborn debris. Be extremely careful not to damage the sensitive internal pins during this process. Specialized port cleaning tools are also available for a more targeted approach. Cleaning your charging port regularly can prevent these issues from ever arising. It ensures a consistent and reliable connection for efficient power transfer. This simple maintenance habit safeguards your device from potential damage. Protecting your phone's charging port is an essential step in device care. It guarantees uninterrupted connectivity and extends your device's lifespan significantly. By understanding the microscopic world within your port, you gain control. You can proactively prevent common charging failures and costly repairs. This knowledge empowers you to keep your essential technology running smoothly. Think of it as a small effort for a significant technological reward. Regular gentle cleaning with compressed air or a dry toothpick can work wonders. Always ensure the port is completely dry before attempting to charge your device. Avoiding harsh chemicals or metal objects is paramount for safety. This proactive approach saves time, money, and frustration. Your smartphone deserves this basic level of care to perform at its best. The long-term benefits of maintaining a clean charging port are undeniable. It's about preserving the seamless integration of your digital life. This simple habit ensures your phone is always ready when you need it most. Consider the peace of mind knowing your device charges reliably every time. This preventative measure is more effective than reacting to a problem. Keeping your port clean is like giving your phone a vital health checkup. It ensures the critical pathway for power remains unimpeded and efficient. You are now equipped to tackle the unseen invaders of your charging port. This knowledge empowers you to maintain your device's optimal functionality. It's a small step towards a more reliable and enduring smartphone experience. Major headaches down the Plize road.
If you found these tech tips incredibly useful, please subscribe for more.
Let us know in the comments if you've ever faced charging port issues before. Subscribe to explore more amazing discoveries, and let me know in the comments what fascinates you most.